Welcome back to our channel. Yeah, yesterday we have discussed that code comments and relative links and links and some image tags and all. So today we are going to discuss some of tags called list and table and merging of table columns and rows. So let's start our class. Okay, for the first one is list. Okay, here we have two types of two types of lists. First one is order list and second one is unordered list. Okay, so here if you want to implement this order list, we want some tags called first one is OL. It means OL, it means order list, and second one is um, list item. It represented with LI. Okay, so if you want to implement unordered list, we want same two tags. First one is UL, it means unordered list, and second one is same list item. Okay, between these list items we just want to write what list you want to insert in this. Okay, let's implement. Open VS Code, create new file, ordered list, or name as lists dot html. Okay, yeah. Okay, first we will implement order list. After that we will go for unordered list. So first of all, if you want to implement this order list, what tag we should use? OL. Okay, so inside this OL order list, you want to insert the items. What items you should insert here. So between list item tag we should insert. So list item li. Okay, sorry. So first one is like apple. So copy and paste here, copy and paste, paste. Banana and what so you can see here we have listed five items. So let's see the output. Yeah, you can see here the items are listed with the numeric numbers called 1 2 3 4 5. This is called order list. Okay, if you go for unordered list, it will be dot or star or radio buttons. Okay, instead of these numeric numbers, it will be like another one, points or radio buttons or checkbox. Okay, so this is called order list. Okay, let's go for second one. Yeah, second one is the unordered list. Okay, so here the unordered list will be represented with the ul tag, ul, and in between ul tag we should insert li tag. It means list item. Okay, write something. So you can see here I have listed 5 items: doctor, engineer, carpenter, actor, artist. Okay, let's go to Chrome and refresh it. Yeah, you can see here the items are represented with the dot. Okay, so these are another list. We don't know the numbers are Roman numbers. We don't want to print. If you want to print like this, yeah, we want to use another list. Okay, so this is the another list and this is the order list. Okay, guys, you can ask here. I will print Roman numbers instead of these numerical numbers, and I just want to print squares or circle and none instead of these disk. Okay, I will explain now. See here. If you want to write Roman numbers or another numbers for order list, we have to write type equal to uh, what should you want to include, either capital A or small a, uh, or Roman numbers like I. Okay, if you want to print like this, you can see here, go to Chrome and refresh Control R. Yeah, you can see here these are Roman numbers, or you want to include capital A. Okay, yeah, you can see here, or small a. Okay, you understood. So here order list is okay. So but on order list, we don't use type like this. Okay, we want to use style tag. Okay, so style tag, and we want to represent these items with a circle or square. Okay, so the syntax is style list style. So these are disk. Okay, so defaultly it will be print like disk. So if you want to change like square, yeah, here is there. Okay, square. So actually this is the inline CSS. We will discuss later after the HTML course. Okay, so we can see here, Control R. Yeah, you can see these are square. Okay, if you want to print circle. Okay, you understood. So these are list, order list and unordered list. Guys, the next one is table. Okay, so if you want to implement this table tag or a table in the Chrome, you should know some tags. So the first one is table tag. Okay, so this is the table tag. It is used for implement the table. Okay, so the main tag is table. So inside the table tag, if you want to write the heading for this table, you want to implement this th tag. Okay, this is a table head. Okay, table head. So inside the table head, we should write table row, because uh, uh, in the table row only the items which you want to insert, it will be displayed. Okay, tr. So these are tr, it means table row. So the what item you want to insert, you have to write inside that table data. Okay, it represented with the table data, it means td. Okay, you should know all these things. Let's implement in VS Code. Okay, create a new file, write table dot html. Okay, so write first of all table tag. inside the table tag, if you want to write heading for this table, you should write table head. Okay, so table head, what okay, fruits. Okay, the heading of the table is fruits. Okay, we want table row. Okay, inside the table row, how many rows you want, I mean sorry, how many columns you want, you can write inside the table data. Okay, table data. Okay, copy this. We want to print some three items. One it means one row, three columns. Okay, first one is apple, second one is grapes, and third one is pineapple. Okay, let's see the output. Yeah, you can see here apple, grapes, pineapple. It came with not outlet of this table. Okay, so you can see here this is not table because the outlet of the table it not came. Okay, so what should we do now? It means for the main tag of the table we should write border. Okay, border, how many borders you want? For suppose we can write one, so take Chrome and Control R. Yeah, you can see here one row and three columns. Okay, so here you can see here the table head comes under the table. So if you want if you want it come outside the table, you should write this one here. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so this is the head of the table and these are one row and three column list sorry, table items. So if you want three rows, you can copy this and paste here. Yeah, let's see now. Okay, three rows, three columns. So these are tables. Guys, so one more topic in the table tag, that is RowSpan and Colspan. So the RowSpan, it means here you can see the person 1 and person 2 are actually the 4 rows. So the person 1 is merged 2 rows. Okay, so here you can see Virat and Kohli are 2 rows and here person 1 is 1 row. So here we are merge 2 rows and person 2 also merge 2 rows. So how can we merge the 2 rows into 1 row? So first we can see the row span. Okay, so create a table tag, table inside a border, let's take 5. Okay, okay, so before going to table head, I just like to include one more table head, but it not table head. We can write caption. It was more nice than table head. Okay, let's take caption. Okay, caption like row span. Okay, so inside this we should write first one is what, first one is person 1. Okay, take one table row. Inside the table row we should write table data. Table data. So here inside the table data we should include row span. Okay, RowSpan. So RowSpan, how many rows you should want, you want to include, you want to merge. So right here, two. Here I am merging two rows into one row. Okay. So here we want to write this one, person one. Okay. This person one will include here, person one. Okay. And write one more, this Virat. Okay. So create one more table data tag and write Virat. Okay. So close this and create one more table row and write table data. So here we want to include this one, this Kohli. Okay, Kohli. So let's see output. Okay, you can see here these two rows are merged and the Virat and Kohli is there. Okay, if you want to write this one also, then write copy this one and paste here. So person 2 Akai okay, control R. So guys, you can see here the person 1 and person 2. So the two rows and two rows are merged together into one row. Okay, so you can see here there are two columns here. Sorry, two rows are there here, four rows. Okay, so this is the RowSpan, how to merge the two rows into one row. You can merge any number of rows into two rows or three rows or one row. Okay, so this is RowSpan. You understood this one? So let's go to another one. Yeah, here is the Colspan. It means merging two or three columns into one column. Okay, let's implement in VS Code. Okay, write another one table and set border 5. So caption Colspan. So here we want to include this one. So first we want to write person 1 and person 2 in the this table row. Okay, let's write inside the table row. So take one table data. Okay, table data. Inside the table data we have to write this syntax call span. So 2 and what content, person 1, right? Person 1. So we are writing this person 1. So this person 1 we are writing in first row, first column. Okay, so say in the same row we want to write another one also. Okay, that one person 2 call span 2 person 2. So that RowSpan and Colspan mostly different. Okay, So here we want to write we want to create another table row. So here we want to include four table data. So here one row, four table data. Okay, here this is one row and include four table data. So this is the one table data, and copy this and create four table data. Okay, so first one is Virat. So you can see here these are four. Okay, let's go and refresh. Yeah, you can see here one row, so three rows, and here two columns. Okay, so the person one merging two columns into one column, and person two also same. So these are Colspan and this is RowSpan. Okay guys, so these are the topics we have discussed in this lecture. So bye guys, let's see in the next video.